encountering crashes and error codes like 0 by 0, 0 by 1, etc. when trying to launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on Xbox Game Pass through the Xbox app. You're not alone. In this video, we'll cover each step to troubleshoot these error codes so you can resolve the issue and get back to your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Call of Duty. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to be scanned for errors. Now launch Call of Duty. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Call of Duty. Click on the three dots to open the Call of Duty options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Call of Duty Black Ops 6 isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Call of Duty Black Ops 6 data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again.
First, open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Click on Downloadable version. Click on Download the Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC. Wait for the repair to be downloaded. Right-click the tool and select Run Administrator. Select Yes. Now wait for the tool to repair your Xbox app. If the tool worked, then type Y and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu and type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Microsoft Store to be repaired. First, open Start and open Settings. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Locate Microsoft Store. Click on the three dots. Click on Advanced Options. click on Repair. Wait for your store to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Reset. Press Reset. Wait for your store to reset. Now launch the store. First, open your Xbox app. Click on your username. Select Support. Click on Gaming Services Repair Tool. Press Start Repairing. Now wait for your Xbox app to be repaired. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Press Run as administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall gaming services. Copy the second command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click PowerShell and select Edit. Click on Paste. Now press Enter. Press Get to download gaming services. Press Yes. Wait for gaming services to be downloaded and installed. Now gaming services should be installed. Type Exit and then press Enter.
First, open Call of Duty. Click on the three dots. Click on Manage. Click on Files. Click on Change Drive. Now move your game to another drive.
First, open the Start menu, then open Settings. Open Apps. Open Apps and Features. Locate Xbox. Click on the three dots. Click on Advanced Options. Locate Reset and select Repair. If that didn't work, click on Reset. Press Reset. If that didn't work, press Uninstall. Press Uninstall. Close your Windows settings. Search for your Xbox app. Select Xbox app. Press Get. Wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Press Open. Sign in to your account or press Browse the catalog.